Working on an E63 bobcat. It's a 2014. Just having issues with it starting. Don't want to start. I came out here the other day and the ground down here at the bottom, I cleaned all that and it seemed to start up pretty good. But he tried it yesterday morning, or the day after I came out here, and it wouldn't start. So I come back out here to check it out again to see if I can figure out what's going on with it. The battery test is good, everything's good there, but I finally just found the issue. I noticed this ground wire is getting really hot. And come to find out, I started taking it loose from this shut off. Put this on there so there's nobody to steal it, but look what I found. And that's the problem. That's the problem why it won't start. So I'm glad I found that. Just figured I would make a little video to show. But lucky it was right here. But just figured I would show everybody possible issue on the E63 or any excavator that's got that shut off. It's a pretty new machine. I don't think it's got like 1,500 hours. It's a 2014, but just figured I would share that. Thanks for watching.